Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the 30-hour review. I know it's been a minute, but I'm here. So, oudopanda was very kind enough to send me their newest magenta lens. It's not a gold finish, just so you're aware. It's kind of more of a silver mirror finish, still pretty cool. So before we jump into the arc shots, I just wanted to say this really quick. Passive lenses are kind of suggestive. Like, it is a user preference type of deal. So if you don't like blue, maybe a blue lens may not work for you. So, you know, everything, what I say is, again, suggestive. Like my personal opinion of what the shade of the color was or the lens. So the purple lens, I actually really enjoyed for stick. I think stick is, it's really like where it needs to be used. TIG was pretty cool. I will say TIG welding aluminum was a bit weird. But as you will see, the arc shots, welding stick, phenomenal. Let's check these bad boys out. Oh, you stuck around. Hey guys, you want to help this channel grow and you want to pick up one of these oudopanda lenses, make sure you use a coupon code that I'll throw someone here. And don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe for the next 30-hour review.